In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account and receive payments to your PayPal without needing or adding a debit card or a bank account.
So first of all, if you're new to the Anthony Allen channel, hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a PayPal Me link, and that PayPal Me link will enable you to receive payments via PayPal. And I'm going to show you how to do this with a brand new account. So here you can see PayPal is on the screen, you can see my mouse, you will also be able to see the clicks that I'm doing so you can follow along. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click the sign up button. At this point, you want to generate a personal account. Business accounts are for businesses, and if you're not sure if you want to generate a business account, hit me up in the comment section down below and I will actually give you the best advice that I can in order to point you in the right direction as to if you need a personal or a business account. I can also give you extra additional knowledge that I've accumulated on PayPal and also be able to point you in the right direction if there's any other questions you have about PayPal. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select a personal account. You see it's already selected here. I'm going to select next. PayPal now has a new process where you can add a mobile phone number. This mobile phone number will generate a text and you would then add the security code that you receive in the form of a text. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to enter a phone number. You should do the same. It could be a pay-as-you-go number. It really doesn't matter if it's a pay-as-you-go number or a contracted number, as long as you receive that text message and you can read that text message that you receive via the mobile. So this is what this is. Just enter the mobile phone number. You should have no issues from there. Now, because this is sensitive information, of course I will be censoring my mobile phone number when I'm adding it into the website, but you would add your number, and of course the area code is based on your location. Here in the UK it will be a +44 area code, as mobile phone numbers generated for the UK have this sort of code in front of it. You can see what nationality or location you have selected for your PayPal account here. You see where I'm circling my mouse? You can see it's generated in Great Britain. So I'm in Great Britain, so that's the reason why that is the flag that you will see up here. If for some reason you don't see your flag up here, use the drop down menu and select the country of origin of where you're trying to set up your PayPal account. For now, because I'm in the UK, I'm just going to select the cross on this, the X, and close that out. And now I'm going to select next in order to generate that text message. So here you can see that PayPal is now asking me to confirm my number. I will have a code sent to my mobile phone. This is for security purposes so that I can secure my account, and you will be able to secure your account in the exact same way also. So when here you receive a text message, I've just received mine, I heard my phone vibrate. I'm now going to enter that same code into the spaces that I see here on PayPal. The next page that you will be given on PayPal as of 2020 is the set up your profile page. Here you would enter the email account. Now this is very important. Make sure you have access to that email account you were going to enter, and make sure that you have no issues logging into it if you need to log into it quickly. So of course, if you're using Outlook, make sure you can access that Outlook account, or if you're using Gmail, make sure you can access the account, because this will cause you a lot of issues when you're needing to retrieve your money or use a different method in order to receive your money to PayPal. If your email address becomes your PayPal address when you're receiving money to your PayPal address, other than what I'm showing you here in this video, which is a PayPal Me link. So the PayPal Me link does not have an email attached to that link. So that's one reason why a PayPal Me link is absolutely brilliant, because you don't have to share your email that is attached to your PayPal account. So I'm now going to enter an email, a first name, a last name, and create my password. Now some of you are going to ask the question, why do I now have a calculator open? It's because I'm actually using a MacBook to do this tutorial, and the MacBook has the butterfly keyboard effect, so my numbers don't work. So what I have to do is I have to copy and paste numbers from the calculator, which can be a bit tedious, but that's a tip for those of you who may be suffering from the same issue with your MacBook butterfly keyboard effect. If you're using a model as of 2014, between 2014 to let's say 2019, those are the models that tend to suffer from the butterfly keyboard effect. So that's why you're seeing a tab open for the calculator, so I can copy and paste numbers as my number keys do not work. So now that I've entered the email associated to the PayPal account that I want to open, I've entered the first and the last name. You can see it says Fortnite News. I'm now going to click continue. At this point, you want to enter a postcode, an optional flat number, I don't know why it says flat, an address line, a town and a city, and a date of birth. Once you've done this, you can get onto the next page. So we're going to do that now. We're going to enter a postcode, an address line, town or city, and a date of birth. Let's get into this now. Obviously, I will be censoring this information, but once you've generated this and you've entered the information, you can get onto the next page. Once you've entered the address, you will then be given this page where it's given you two options, or more than two options, I should say, of what you can do with your PayPal account. You can shop with PayPal or send money. You can also add a card to use later, or manage your communication preferences. At this point, most PayPal customers want to access their account because they want to receive money, and this is you, and this is why you have selected to watch this video. Now you are given two options: shop with PayPal or send money. You don't want to do either of the two because you're watching this video most likely because you want to receive money to your PayPal. So the way that you can do this is if you select manage your communication preferences. This will then open up a separate tab. This is your PayPal account tab. Now, from here, if you select the PayPal logo, or you can go to your summary. You can also go to your wallet, your offers, and help. We're going to select the PayPal button. This has now brought you to your PayPal account. You could also get here by selecting summary. This is your PayPal account, and now we're going to create a PayPal me link. Now we have access to your account. Creating a PayPal me link should be fairly easy. The next thing you need to do is you need to go to request. This is where you request money from other PayPal users. Select this. From here, you can create an invoice, get your own PayPal me link, or create a money pool. You want to select get your own PayPal me link. Brilliant. Now we're on the screen. This is where you would generate your PayPal me link. This will also give the people who are paying you an identification, so they'll be able to see that it's you that they are sending the money to. And also you'll be able to share your PayPal me link over the internet or via text message, wherever you would like to share your PayPal me link so people can pay you via PayPal. This is where you can create that link. So if we select create PayPal me link, you can add a photo. This will give people an indication as to who they are paying. It's fairly easy to add a photo, just like adding a photo to a social network post or a tweet or a Facebook post or an Instagram. You just upload the photo, and then it's ready and will be visible when people are paying you via this method. I'm going to select not now. And you can also choose the link. So let's say that you said PayPal me link, and we are going to trying to think of something really unique now. Let's call it Fortnite V-Bucks. This has already been taken, so your link needs to be very unique to you. So Fortnite V-Bucks has already been taken by another user. So let's create another link here. Let's make it very unique. It's also giving you suggested links that you can enter. You can see that we have Fortnite V-Bucks 333. I like the sound of that one, so we'll select that. It's available, PayPal says, and we can use this as our unique PayPal link to receive money. Now I'm going to select next. review your profile and accept the terms and conditions. Basically, just make sure that you're not, committing a type of fraud against the person. You want to make sure that you're collecting your money legitimately. Once you agree to those terms, you can select yes and then agree to create. Your profile is live. You've now created a PayPal me link, and using the link that you have just created, you can receive money to your PayPal. Once you've created this unique PayPal link, people can pay you via PayPal using that link. So we created Fortnite V-Bucks 333 as our unique PayPal me link. If I copy and paste this link into my tab, I'll be able to pay money into my PayPal account. See, here we have paypal.me/Fortnite V-Bucks 333. If I click enter, you can see this opens up a sort of checkout where you can pay my PayPal account via this link. Once the person has logged into their PayPal account, they will be able to visit your PayPal me link, and they can enter the amount they want to send you, and they can actually select the currency in which they're sending you as well. And that is basically, in a nutshell, how you can create yourself a PayPal me link. I've done it with a brand new PayPal account here. Start collecting your payments now via PayPal using